dare post that?
Too late. Hashtag epic dad grill fail. It is so puff your puff.
Will you make me a double macchiato, please?
Sure, dear.
What?
Make sure to
Reflection. Where's it
shoot
coming
the
from?
like button.
Hi there.
Yeah.
Yeah, with this gun right here.
Well, where's Chase?
You
Right.
must be Ben Walter's grandson.
How'd you know that?
You look exactly like him. Spitting image.
You knew my grandfather?
He came up every summer. Taught me how to fish on this river.
No kidding.
Shoot, where are my manners? I'm Sam Bartlett, park ranger in charge of the state land that surrounds your property.
I
That's
can't
Walters.
feel again.
This is my fiancée Vanessa.
Hi.
That's my son Tommy. The
He's
mythical
gonna end up with
half-boy,
her.
half
That's pretty
smartphone.
guaranteed.
Yeah.
Just swung by on my rounds. We've had a problem with bird poachers in the area, so if you see anyone suspicious, please let me know.
Will do.
I hear you're building a house up here.
Breaking ground tomorrow. You want to see it?
It's very blue.
5,000 square feet, every amenity.
And I'm decorating it.
Yeah, you are.
5,000 square feet for 3 people. Hope you won't be cramped.
Oh, no, well, we're not building it to living. I mean, the here, are real.
It's an investment property. We're gonna flip it.
I see. Don't you think it'll kind of overwhelm the landscape?
You got government land on both sides.
Yeah?
No, I want
Buttons
to.
in
Like
land.
there are any
What
neighbors
would
who
you
complain?
Oh, what I'm
Yeah.
saying is if you were to build something a bit more modest, you'd preserve these old growth trees. Be a lot more green-minded.
Well, it's my land, so I'm pretty sure I can build however I want. Don't worry. I'll leave plenty of trees for you to hug.
Okay.
Well, let me know if you see any poachers. And good luck with this Death Star you're building.
Do you actually get a good picture of me? No.
Nice meeting you.
I like to get good pictures of everybody. This was a good picture of
Who's
the
your
tree.
picture?
Working right.
I like her.
Good
She's
picture of
cool.
your brother.
Don't worry about it, baby. Hey, Tommy, come help me with this stupid grill.
Come here. There's a good picture of you and me.
Sounds like fun, Lance,
You're
but I
driving.
think I'm gonna go explore a little. Like you say, can't play video games all the time.
That one.
Chip it off the old block. Our boy part lawyer. How the heck does this thing work?
That's Woody the woodpecker.
Heck are you?